Hi, my name is Christopher Doe with BenQ America, and today we're going to talk about how to bind your display to X-Line Broadcast. Let's get started. There are two methods to bind your display in X-Line Broadcast depending on whether or not you've already registered it into BenQ's Device Management Service, otherwise known as DMS. Just a reminder, you're going to have to be an admin to do any of this. The first is to use the X-Line Broadcast website for any devices that have already been bound to DMS, and the second is to use the DMS app on your mobile device. For the first method, as an admin, go to xlinebroadcast.benq.com/IFP equipment. Log into your BenQ account. On the Equipment Management page tab, click the plus icon and select Join the Service. Select the displays that you want to bind and click Next. In this window, you can also set tags to group devices for easier management. Click Join. Now, to bind a display with the DMS app, we need to make sure that the display is connected to the internet. Then launch Broadcast Settings. The DMS app can be downloaded by scanning the correct QR code. Once you have the app downloaded onto your mobile device, go ahead and launch it and log into your BenQ account. Tap the plus icon and scan the QR code. Fill out all the fields with the information needed to organize and identify your display. Tap Add. Easy. And now that you have your device bound to X-Line Broadcast, we can start sending out content to all your displays. For more information, visit us at benq.com. Thank you.